To open a SIM slot on the Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G, first of all, we'll need to find the SIM slot on our device. So as you can see, it's this one right here. It's where on the side where you charge your device, there's a charging plug right there. So now we need to grab a SIM ejection tool. I have it right here. It's a very thin metal thing. You can also try to use needle, but I would recommend to use a dedicated SIM ejection tool. So now grab it and put the thin line into this gap right here. Do not put it right here. It needs to go right there. And now we need to put it in and kind of hard push on it. That way you'll be able to open the slot, and here inside, as you can see, I have 2 SIM cards. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.